This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window motor. First, gather your tools, including screwdrivers and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so disconnect your vehicle's battery before starting. Then, carefully remove the interior door panel. This step reveals the window motor and regulator assembly, preparing you for the next stages of the replacement process. Now that the door panel is off, you'll see the window motor. Begin by detaching its electrical connector. This is usually a simple clip. Next, locate the bolts securing the motor to the window regulator. Use the appropriate wrench or socket to remove these bolts. Once unbolted, gently separate the old motor from the regulator assembly, being mindful of any attached gears. With the old motor out, it's time for the new one. Carefully align the new window motor with the regulator assembly, ensuring the gears mesh correctly. Reinsert and tighten the bolts to secure the motor firmly in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new motor. This step is crucial for restoring power and functionality to your window. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Test the window's operation by cycling it up and down several times to ensure smooth movement and proper function. Once you confirm everything works, carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are secure. Finally, replace any trim pieces you removed, completing your window motor replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.